Now, this, of course, we have a big batch who's currently online and they are undergoing the foundation level. Now, the idea here is just to share your experiences as an alumni of the Mindler ecosystem, your experiences of how the journey has been for you. And how all of it is panning out. Some of you are looking at starting your own practices, some of you have already started your practices. So I'll be asking you a couple of questions, and then I'll take a couple of questions from the chat, and we would love for you to answer them. Now, how this works is I will, of course, introduce you, but I will just introduce you by your name because I want you to
Sure.
introduce yourself. Why do I want that? Because I want them to know the
Okay.
journey and why career coaching happened, because it's a little bit, not the first option that people consider mostly. So, my question will be I'll start with Rama. So, Rama, if you could just help me understand, a little bit about your journey so far and why career coaching and how that excited you and how, you then thought of joining Mindler.
Yeah, thank you, Isha, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my experience as a my journey with ICCC as a student, as a coach, and as a partner. Now, I strongly believe in this quote that says, "People forget what you said, people forget what you did, but people never forget how you made them feel." So I think as a coach, it's our duty to unlock the potential of an individual to maximize their growth. So I always had this passion for, helping people and through coaching. And I've been in this field for the past 10 years. And for personal reasons, I had to take a pit stop. And this pandemic again ignited that feeling of, getting back into coaching. And I said the student category is one category that really, really needs help because there are a lot of confusion there in that space. And that is when I came across ICCC, and I chose Mindler specifically because I did a lot of research in in different tools that are available in the market, and I found Mindlers to be very research oriented, very validated, and very detailed oriented. So that is why I chose Mindler, and I am really happy to be part of this journey with Mindler. So yeah,
Thank you.
so
Thank you,
that's
Rama.
how. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Rama. Uh, Good evening, Miss Vasudha. How are you? I think you've joined us.
I am good, Isha. Good evening.
So I'll just give you a little bit of context. We're just starting with the introductions, and we have the ICCC Foundation level participants who are listening to you very intently, and they have been looking forward to this session for a very long time. So yes, so now I'll move on to Dakshini. If Dakshini, you could just introduce yourself, tell us a little bit about your journey. Which city are you in currently? That would be very helpful.
Hello, everyone. Good evening, and wishing everyone a very happy new year. I'm joining in from Bangalore, and I have been practicing counseling, career counseling, from the past 5 years, but not as a professional practice. But I was part of a parents group that was helping, parents and children decide on their careers. So my journey started when I did the 2-day foundation course, and I did look at how intense and uh, like Rama said, there's a lot of details and a lot of information that needs to be learned from the industry. One thing is, parents these days, or students, they don't come to us for information is already there online. You just google it up, and everything is out there. They don't come to counselors for information. So that much is, we have to know that they come to us for guidance in the decision making process. That is where I think all the parents get stuck, because there's so many options, so many things that they're open to. There's so many offbeat careers that parents are open to now. Children pursuing something other than the academics, and their profile building and everything. It's so multi-dimensional. So I think the parents come to us for guidance in the decision making process. So you need to be really prepared to face these kind of parents who are super informative. They are very confident, and the students also know what they are doing and what they want to do. They're pretty sure what options are out there. It's only the decision making that they come to you. So in that case, I saw that I need to be more professionally equipped with a database that I can readily access and help them with. it's not something that, and it's so phenomenal, the information that is there out there. It's impossible for you to know everything in, all the fields. So then I went into the advanced program where, I got a little bit of information and prepared myself to face, a more professionally confident, myself. I could groom myself into more a confident professional. And then came the master's level where it was really, really challenging. But I loved the journey because I made so many connections, networked with, the people in my cohort. I'm still connected, and they have given me a lot of information, and there's a lot of sharing of knowledge. So I think the study materials, the videos, the assessments, the assignments, they all need self exploration. Nothing comes to you as a package that you can just use. You need to do your homework, and you need to be there, exploring it day by day, improving your knowledge. And that is where Mindler and, the NCDA prepared me for. And even now, each day is a learning experience. No two clients are the same. Each case is different, and every day is different. Every day I face a different sort of client and a case. So I think I have Mindler and NCDA, Dr. Chadha and Dr. David and Barbara to thank for this immense knowledge that they've given me. And I look forward to, I have started my practice recently, and the response is quite good. And I really thank Mindler for, making me part of this journey. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I will get down to another question also, which will be around the advanced and master's level shortly. Now I'll move on to Dinesh. So Dinesh is, I think, Dinesh and Urvi actually both are the oldest people. Oh, even Dr. Vasudha that way. But we'll
Vasudha
start.
ma'am.
Yes. So let's start with Dr. Vasudha, ma'am. Ma'am, why don't you tell us about your experience? We'll start with you. The question here is just, a little bit of a background about yourself. And of course, you've been in the education space for so many, many years. But I'd like the entire, all the participants to know that, why did you end up taking this certification? And it would be great if you could just help us with that.
Yeah, thank you, Isha, so much. Yes, so as an educationist, I think with this year, it's been 28 years. So it's a long journey. And though I started my career as a special educator and already masters in bachelor's and masters in psychology, so it had always interested me, something related to counseling, something related to doing this thing. And then since 2010, I have been a school leader in the and principal of the Cambridge affiliated schools, and with the Cambridge now it's been 17 18 years. So and I was always I'm a very hands-on person, hands-on learner, hands-on. And I think I met Isha, our PD, and Pratik back down in 2014-15 when they had just started. And the kind of work they were doing, it had really amazed me. And we were in touch and we were doing. And then in 2018, I guess, 2018 was the first.
February 18.
February 18, yes. So it was the first
18.
cohort. And I was very, I mean, and there are some people who need to be mentioned here, and one of them is the Mindler Partner Affairs exhibition, and Mr. Vivek Shukla. And and I think Urvi is also there. So we both were not pushed. Actually, I pushed Urvi into it. Let's do it. It would be interesting, and let's see how it would be done. Because I was always being a hands-on person, lifelong learner. I always wanted to help my students myself. Of course, I believe my career coaches, I believe the career counselors and everything, but I wanted to have that first-hand knowledge myself. And this always interested me because I used to write the LORs, or check the essays of UCAS and this university, that university. This is something I did it to help my students, but yes, it was my first interest. So that was it. And five of us, I think we were the stellar performers there, including Urvi. The journey was very, very difficult, I would say, because there were assignments, there were deadlines. We have to, submit the assignments. And I remember last two assignments was, now I had just, chewed the brain of PD, because PD was coach with me and Urvi, and I used to tell them that, this needs to be done, that. So it was with lot of freedom, but it was very detailed program, if we say. And it was a blend of a lot of theoretical knowledge, yes, but at the same point in time, it was a lot of practical exposure was given. That was the beauty of it. And I still remember the first assignment that we got was of code of ethics. So I think every profession should have that code of ethics. When you are in a space of education, as a school educator, as a school teacher, as a school principal, as a school head, one has to be ethical. So that is the beauty of the program. And I think then they started with the second the CCSP program, wherein
I'll,
all thanks to the
Ma'am, I'll get back to
lockdown.
that. I'll get back to that one. I want a little
Okay.
comparison, so I'll just get back to that one so that everyone shares their views. Thank you so much. Dinesh, over to you now. Just a little bit of your introduction, and also do mention your where you are from currently, because that would definitely be exciting for the participants.
Yeah. So hello everyone. I am Dinesh Lahuti and I am from Guwahati. Uh, Basically, before working with or getting associated with Mindler, I used to run an organization which is mainly helping students to with maths and science learning. So I was into maths and science education. I was working with several governments as well as several schools and several students, and trying to help them how to make maths and science more meaningful and more hands-on for them. Now, while doing that, what I realized was I interacted with many students from various part of mainly to in the Northeast, and what I realized fundamentally nothing has changed in terms of when it comes to selecting or deciding for a career. Right? It's still like the same mainstream, and I found that same problem is not only in Northeast; it's actually spread across the country where we are not making an informed career choices. We are not exploring what are the options available in general. So I realized that if a student also learns maths and science, or they start my main objective was to help them remove the math phobia. But then I realized like math is also a powerful tool which will help them in many other careers. But then what was the gap which I wanted to address was that if they really know what they want to become, if they really know there is a career which exists which align to their interests or which align to their I would say their choice or the thing that they want to do, I think they will make a much better impact in the society in general. So with that in mind, I came across Mindler's program. Around that time, it used to be a offline training. So I from Guwahati, I went to Delhi to attend the 3 days program, and I think it was a great experience. Learned a lot of things, met a lot of I would say the team of Mindler and the kind of resource person that were there in those 3 days workshop was very eye opening, and I realized that career counseling is one bit, right, where we tell them about different career options. But the whole idea of introducing career coaching in India, and at that too at the school level, like making the availability of career coaches at the school level was a brilliant idea, and the assessments and everything was really good, and it was really an eye-opening experience. And I think after that there was no moving back. I started doing my own sessions. I started my own organization named as Career Spark, and now we are working with various schools, various students as well as parents, and we're trying to bring this whatever the learning we had from different certification that I did from Mindler. I try to because I think only classes will not help. Again, like as ma'am said that every student is different, and the more I learn and the more I realize the impact and the impact a career coach can have in the life of the student. I have many interesting stories to tell around that, and I'm really very happy and very thankful to Prateek, Isha, and the whole team of Mindler to bring this concept of career coaching in India, I would say, because it's really, really helpful. And I think every child, I would say, deserves or needs a career coach or a career mentor who can help them unleash their true potential. So I think they're doing a great job. Assessment, I'm a big fan of Mindless assessment. I think it's a great tool. Before I start my session, if I know if I have this report with me, it really helps me to mentor and coach. There are many assignments, but like, what is really beautiful is that this really is a very good tool for coach. If you want to really coach a student and mentor a student, this is really one of the best tool that is available in the country. So I'm really looking forward. Just many of the participants are asking from when you started. Like, so my journey also started in 2018. Recently, I completed masters also, and I think Isha have question on that.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah.
I'll be asking that question. I'll be coming to that. Yes, Urvi, over to you. So Urvi is also somebody I've known for so long. But yes, Urvi, why don't you
Yes.
introduce yourself?
Thank you, Isha. A very happy new year to the entire team of Mindler and all the participants. I hope this new year brings in an opportunity for all of you to be a part in changing the career landscape, not only of the students, but even your own. So this is an opportunity which Mindler gives you to shape up your own career. I am Professor Urvi Shukla. I am a lecturer at Calcutta University, and I belong to Calcutta. I was a part of the first cohort of the ICCC program. As Dinesh said, during that time, it was an offline program. So all the way from Kolkata, I went to Delhi and we had a 3 days program. Intense learning, relearning, unlearning yourself, and then relearning, and a vast landscape of career opportunities was open. So I would just like to say one very important thing is that this program is for people from all walks of life. You need not be from a psychological background or only from an education field. Anyone who has a passion towards learning, anyone who is passionate about rendering guidance, help to students, helping them just get clarity over confusion in their mind. I think this is one of the best programs which are available. So all the participants who are here today, if you think that you have that passion in you to work with children, to work with young minds, help them resolve their problems, give them a roadmap, an action map towards the best fit career for them, I think you are in the correct place. So with this, I wish all the participants a very good luck for the entire course. Thanks, Isha.
Thank you so much, Urvi. Now I'll come to Rama again. And so, Rama, I would want you to just tell me a little bit more about, and these are typical questions all the participants also have, about the advanced journey. Like, I think you finished it very recently. So,
Very recently,
how
yes.
was the journey? And, you are also a partner with Minder, where you're using our tool.
Yes,
And, I've
right.
interacted with you. And, anyways, so Rama knows a lot about digital marketing. She's very smart.
Yes.
So for her, it works wonders. But Rama, if you could just tell us how the advanced curriculum was it very difficult? Was it very time consuming? Just as a part, just what the participants would want to know about, how much time it took you to finish the entire syllabus.
Okay. The ICCC program is very well designed, I would say, because uh, as a coach, we always think that we are the judges and we would like to give a verdict to a student and a parent who's sitting there. So we come with a lot of baggage, and there's a lot of cultural conditioning that happens, and that has an impact on the way we coach students. But now this ICCC gave us a very different view to it. It made us coaches to be more targeted, more professional, and more competent enough to handle the concerns of students and parents. Like, it enabled us to listen to others, um, ask relevant questions, whereby it deepens their thinking, allowing them to find their own solutions and empower them to take responsibility for their own decisions and actions in life. And this is something which is a value, very valuable to us as coaches. And the webinars also were very, very helpful, because it gave us an insight not only into psychometrics, because psychometrics, we always think it's, it's like magic. You answer some questions and a report comes. Well, this enabled us to minimize human bias and leverage on technology and research. so that we help students take a very well informed decision. At the end of the day, that is what matters. And we also got to know about scholarships, interview techniques, etiquettes, and the present education system in India and abroad. And the case studies were the best. We had to stretch our brains and look at it from a very holistic perspective. Because earlier we would just, read a question, or maybe, the client comes to you. So you just listen, ask a few questions, and then the psychometric report is there, and then you just give a verdict. Tell the child, okay, listen, this is what the report says, and then you're good in science, so go for probably medicine, or a very typical. But this gave a plethora of scope for us as coaches. And I would say, as the portal is very, very easy to navigate, the report is so easy that it makes your life as a coach, it makes it so easy. So I would say this program is not about career coaching, but it's a lifetime solution to all stakeholders. And I would really thank Mindler for really thinking through. I'm sure it's a big brain, a brain of people out there who wanted to contribute to society, because it was a struggle in this space. You have a lot of companies having tools, but then this is very, very validated and researched, and that is what makes it very, very important for parents. And because today nothing is very cheap. So this is real good return on investment. So you're putting it in the right place. So, and the portal is very easy to navigate. You have career options, you have career blogs, you have developmental plans, and you have everything on your plate. So for a coach, it is very easy, and I would definitely tell all participants, do not think twice. You are in the right place, and I'm sure this new year is going to give you a great opportunity to for a great future in the coaching space. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rama. That those are very kind words. Thank you so very much. Now I'll move to Dakshini, and with you, my question will be, because you've done masters also very recently. How were advanced and masters different? And if you would want to tell the participants about how they were different and how time consuming which one was, just a little overview of maybe even which one you enjoyed more, or how did it all work out for you?
Um, there was I wouldn't say I enjoyed doing it, but then I feel it was a whole new journey for me as a student after so many years. It's very easy to put off things till the last minute, and I think the whole journey of learning and putting myself in the place of a student, where I am learning from the stalwarts of the industry, that gave me a very different perspective of what today's student faces in the classroom, online and offline. Because your relationship with the mentors needs to be really, really well balanced, where you get all your doubts cleared, yet not make them feel like you know everything. And there were points where I was asking very mundane questions, like how do I do this assignment? I don't even know where to start. And then it's very easy to not stick to the schedule and then put off things till the nth minute. And when you have those deadlines to stick, they are really, really very, very what should I say? It was structured, and it was not like I could do it at any time. There was a time allotted to finish each assignment, and I had to give that time, put in those many hours of study, because it doesn't happen like you just Google it up, copy paste. You have to really go in depth into each topic that is there, and not just superficial peripheral knowledge that you can just copy paste and submit the assignment. That And people see through you when you're just giving that kind of a peripheral knowledge. It has to be really in depth and researched, and that is going to take some time, but it'll go a long way in the learning process. So I think advanced is a program. The foundation was, of course, all gathering information, listening. The 2 days of it was so much of information that I gathered, and I said, this is not enough. I have to do the advanced course. Then when I did the advanced course, it was, all about sticking to the, I felt like I was in the Indian scenario where typically the student learns and, reproduces what is learned. But in the master's level is when I was really groomed into being a more mature counselor, that, I can take decisions, I will know how to advise this particular client. It's not like, and see, I see a lot of questions coming up from, in the chat windows, that what are your learning experiences from, when you start as a career coach? In India, I feel that, the clients that come to you, they come to you as if you're an astrologer. You give a report, and then you say, this is what you're going to be in life. And then, they feel, okay, I've got a solution. Now I have to work towards this. I do my pujas and all this, and then I'm going to be big. So a career coach, going to a career coach, or a psychologist, these things are very, very new in India. And people think twice before going for professional advice, because parents are very involved in Indian scenario where they decide the child's future. So they think they have a right to decide. They kind of think, they know everything that is right for their child. But taking professional advice is something that people think twice. And today's scenario, Mindler has brought in that change in the parents, mindset, that it helps to go to a counselor for advice. It really helps to, gain that knowledge from somebody who is into the profession, to give us a different perspective of what it is out there. So I feel masters really groomed me into being more professional, and, telling them that, look, I'm only a facilitator. I'm going to help you decide what to do, and it's not like I'm going to decide for you. So the masters and advanced, between the two, I felt I enjoyed the masters much, in a deeper level than the advanced. And every stage was different. I should say it was very, very enriching.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Akshayani. Dr. Vasudha, now you did advanced. I mean, yours time it was one program, so you did that 2.5 years ago, and then you did masters after 2 years. So how were the two different? How was your experience? You're already, already been in this space for nearly 3 decades now. So I mean, how was it for you? I mean, you would know so much of it already. So how was the experience? Like, how was it different, and what did you enjoy more?
See, I tell you, Urvi said beautifully one word, that is unlearn. So, once you enter as a student, so that's the best thing, that you become a student and just unlearn what you have learned. So, of course, you know it, Isha, and because the first time Urvi was one batch senior this time in the advanced program, master's program, because due to the paucity of time, I could not finish that program. But yes, it is demanding. It is very, 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 very challenging, and you really had to give 100% to what we were learning about. So whether it was the theories part, whether it was the case study part, whether and I enjoyed both of the programs, because both had their own takeaways. When we did that cohort, and actually I was getting confused, that why is Isha talking about, advanced program and master's program? What is it all about? So now my
We did
doubts
two
are clear.
together.
So we did two together, yes.
You did it
So
together.
now my doubts are cleared. But yes, the journey still continues, I would say. It is beautiful. I still refer to the notes when I am, talking to the students, or when, students are coming to me for any. And for me, it is one has to be a lifelong learner. Always one has to learn something or the other all the time, because you cannot be in today's business with yesterday's tools. So as an educator, educationist, or if my students ask something to me, that what is it all about, and if I'm not updated, so then it is difficult. So we have to keep up with our students knowledge, because as one of my predecessor rightly said, that the students don't come to us for any kind of knowledge, because that is available throughout on the net. They come to us with that, for that connect. So and with the Mindler, that's the best thing, that it has always been a blend of professional and personal touch. So we could I know that we all are scared of Professor Chadda as our professor. He was very hard taskmaster, but when we were getting stuck, I had actually called him couple of times to clear my doubts. So it was a completely student like feeling. And I remember on last exam I had forgotten that it was the exam, and when 6:50 it popped up that okay, today is the exam. So it was a great experience. But yes, on a serious note, I always I think there is a lot of young generation here, and I am the a little odd one out. But my message to them is that when you are giving your 100% to whatever you are doing, you will be successful. And it is not about now being a career coach or being an educationist. It is for all walks of life. On a personal front also, it helps you a lot to develop as a person when you have done your CCSP together. And of course the NCDA certification is a matter of pride for us, and you have to earn it. You have to really work hard to do it pretty well, because being in the education space myself, I thought that I cannot take it very easy, that okay, it is going to be a cakewalk. I think with the first assignment, or the first few lessons, I had understood that it is time consuming, and it is demanding. So one has to, and anyways, it is updating ourselves. And I always tell um, everyone, because I know, according to the researchers, we need lakhs and lakhs of counselors in India, and there are a few thousands there. So of course there is a long way to go, and it is very important at this point in time for this young generation to guide them accordingly. Because in our times, when I passed out in 91, it was all the best students were taking science, then followed by commerce and humanities, and I was the humanities person, black sheep in the family of doctors and engineers. But I think I've done pretty well for myself. But at that time there was no career coaching, but the only savior I had was my father, who said, okay, do whatever you want to do. So but I think this generation has lot of opportunities, lot of career choices, and there are some careers we didn't know about, and there will be many careers we didn't know about after 10 years also. So we have to be prepared for our young generation. Thank you, Isha. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Vasudha. This was amazing, and we learn so much from you every day. So that's another great thing. But great. Now let's move to Dinesh. Dinesh, because of course we also have only 15 minutes left. So I already shared a couple of experiences of how advanced and masters was different. So if you want to add a line or two to that, just for all of them to know, please do that. But I would want you to focus a little bit on, how do you use the partner portal, and how is your experience been there? A lot of questions on, your ROI. If you could just cover a little bit of that also, in terms of, how do you approach schools or individual clients, that
Yeah.
would be great.
Yeah, I think with regards to CCSP and masters and advanced, I think I just would like to say, like, it really helped me to improve my career coaching skills, or in general how I approach the clients, and also it helped you to bring that credibility of working with uh, uh, you know you learn a lot when you work with people like Dr. Chadda, Barbara, and David. So you really learn a lot. So learning is really like it was really great learning. Now, in terms of how is the ROI, and how are we doing in using the partner platform? See, what I did was, actually I'm also taking the white labeling solution from them, from Mindler. So yes, I think when I took the suspense pretty long back, and my experience with how to get the first client or how to really get into this. Because for me, I think I can totally understand most of your questions. For me also, it was a completely new experience in terms of starting the career counseling thing, because I was mainly into maths and science education, and it was not completely centric to career counseling. So what I did was, especially what I did was, I started. I made a point that I will at least listen to students to really understand what kind of problem they are facing. So what I started was, I started devoting 1 or 2 days, a fixed hour, where I will just simply attend free calls just to understand in terms of what kind of problems they have. So why I kept it free initially was because just to understand, because I'm also not very well versed with too much of information. So I really needed some time in terms of to really to bring that confidence in me that yes, I will be able to address the query. And one thing which I learned also from this session is that it's okay if you don't know any information. What is really important is that you going back to them and actually giving them information, maybe after a day or after 2 days back. So that really have really relaxed and ease out the whole thing. I did a lot of webinars during the pandemic, and it really gave me a lot of I was really able to take a good number of what do you say I would able to onboard a lot of students and parents just because of the webinars and the kind of free call which I was attending, because I realized when I was attending the free calls, I was trying to add value to them, and it really helped. It really gave the word of mouth which I was needing. Second, I strongly feel like you should be very strong in digital marketing and all, because this is really required, and I'm sure Mindler team can help you a lot in that. Third, I feel that schools is a tricky thing, but again, there I think if you are a new counselor, in which case, in most of the cases, probably you will be the first time counselor. I think if you go to school and just explain them what kind of value you want to add, rather than the pricing and the sale part, if you can really make them understand what kind of value you add, and you start delivering that value, I think that rest of things will really come into the place. So so far we have been doing good. As Career Spark has made a name in the state, in the region where we belong. We recently won some competitions also, where we came first in Northeast in entrepreneurship. We have uh, really thankful to again Mindler, because that really helped us to pitch our program and the plan that we had. So for me, it was a great experience, and I think Mindler assessment, particularly in the Mindler team support, was very important. See, it's when you start this counseling journey, it will be mainly a lonely journey, right? Because you will not know whom to ask. You will not know what the kind of queries that you will handle. It will really make you feel low many a times, or you will feel confused many a times yourself. So you need a partners, you need a community, or need a bunch of people who know are expert in that field, right? So I think Mindler gives you that support. If you know that no, you really want to improve your one particular skill. For example, in my case, I was not very good in studying in the overseas education. I asked Isha, she arranged a meeting with arranged a session for me on that. I wanted a refresher on assessment. Again, one session was given to me by Vaishnavi on that. So that support that you get, I think, is really priceless. And I think this is a task of really solving it together, right? Every student, according to me, as I was saying, needs a mentor or needs a career coach to help them really understand. So every day when I do a session, every time when I interact with the session, the kind of happiness that we derive from that, at the same time, the kind of value that we give to the parents and the student is really, really worth doing that effort. You might also have to do a lot of free counseling sessions initially, because it might be new. For example, in my particular city, career counseling is still a very new thing, right? But I think we are really gradually we are trying to make a mark on that. So to all these participants, I would strongly suggest that do take certification, because it really gives you a credibility and the learning and community, right? That support that is required. For us, the Mindler platform, I think, is one of the best thing that we did in terms of the kind of partnerships that we made. I think this is really a good, because the assessments gives you the confidence. So in the many of the cases, what happened, just by taking the assessments, they really feel confident about the kind of services that we will be giving. So the credibility of Mindlers, hard work in terms of the research, and in terms of the kind of the effort that they have put, it really gives you the credit. It helps you also to bring your credibility with that. So I think that's really an amazing thing. So very thankful to whole Mindler team. But I strongly recommend, start interacting, start doing these sessions, and I'm sure you will find your way. And feel free to connect. I would love to help whatever I know. And I'm sure Mindler team is there to help you.
Thank you so much, Dinesh. So before I move to Urvi, I wanted to take permissions from all of you if we can share your email IDs in case somebody would want to write to you. Is everybody okay with that?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
definitely.
So yes,
Yes,
sure.
Isha.
So Anchita will share everybody's email ID shortly for the participants. Urvi, coming to you. So in your case, also my question will be similar to what I asked Dinesh. Of course, if you have something you want to speak of in terms of advanced and masters, how was your experience or something that you really enjoyed? And how is the partner portal coming for you? Because today's presentation, I had your slide only up, so you can tell us.
Oh,
So, Urvi has some fantastic testimonials on her website. Please, Raghav, share her website here. And those testimonials
thank you.
are
Thank you.
so beautifully written, like from the heart. Like you read them and you know full heart. So, but Urvi is like that. So, Urvi, if you could just share your experiences.
Thank you, Isha. Lovely, warm words. You always very, very compassionate and warm. Um, what I would like to say is this ICCC program, it has been very intricately designed, trying to consolidate a lot of psychological problems that the students face has been incorporated in their assessment. Um, if you are really, really keen, that's what I keep on saying. If you're really keen and passionate, that's how, the time when you should move towards this new career in your life. I like the word career coach. I really like it. Okay, so this gives you an opportunity to be called a career coach rather than a career counselor, which is a more common word. Okay. Secondly, all of you who are there, I think you should keep your, you should put in an effort, give a lot of time into research work, do your assessments on time, attend the webinars, the live sessions. They are all eye openers. And this ICCC advanced program is like a graduation program. Masters is definitely a totally different league. And it is not, as a few panelists were asking, how many hours in a day that we should study or put in an effort. I think at least an hour or two per day, that would be sufficient. But whatever you're doing, all your research work, please see to it, it is authentical. Put in all your heart and soul into that research work. When you are giving your answers, please be genuine. Do not copy paste from anywhere. You as an individual will show your helping skills, which will be portrayed in your answers. So please be original, please be true. This is a great opportunity. Since we are stepping in, I mean, all of us are in the same forte of becoming career coaches, and you all are trying to step in into this new world of career coaching and counseling. I wish all of you good luck. I am associated with Mindler. This is my 4th year with them, since I was a part of the first cohort in the advanced program, and even the first cohort of the master's program. So I think I'm one of the oldest alumni with Mindler. And recently, a few months back, I launched my website, and Mindler portal I have been using almost over a year. This portal of Mindler and the Mindler platform has helped me in launching my website. So in case if you are also thinking about launching your website, that this is one of the way in which you can be connected to people, your clients, your school, your parents. This is a more apt, easier and a simpler way. You can also do what I did. This is the kind of publicity which I chose of, was to launch my website. Okay. Before that, 2 years, I did not launch any website, nor I was publicizing. I did nothing like that. I was doing my career coaching on a very small scale, started with friends, families, relatives, students, since I am working with Calcutta University. So all the students which were there, I started counseling with them. First few months, I had decided that I will not be taking in any charges, any fees from the students, because this was more of a learning experience for me too. So I used to give all their Mindler assessment kits absolutely free of cost, not only because to take their test, but it was more of a learning experience for me. Since I said I don't belong to the psychology background, it was very important for me to understand the report which I'm generating, the analysis which I'm giving, the planning, the guidance which I'm providing to the students. Am I capable of rendering that to them? Am I confident about doing that to them? Is it going to work laurels for them or not? I think it is very, very important for us as an individual to be confident about our own self and then move ahead. So this was my way of doing it. First few months, I decided that I shall not be taking in any fees, any charges for the test or for my counseling sessions. So it was a learning experience, as I always say, hands-on experience and learning experience for myself. The day I was confident about it, then I started approaching the schools, and then I started doing webinars. Webinars was only during pandemic time, but before that, physical career counseling sessions in schools. So that's how I approached the principals of the school, went in for sessions. All those sessions which I started was absolutely free of cost, because I wanted everyone to know what kind of sessions was I doing. And I think it was my responsibility to return to the society what I had learned. So I think that's the way I started off. For me, monetary was secondary. For me, helping was more of a primarily the most important thing. That's how I initiated. And with the website launch, Mindler has been great help, technical support. I think they are on the epitome of technology when it has to give us support. So all kind of support Mindler has given. The portal helps you to keep a record about your clients, your relationship with the clients and the students. It helps you to write down notes, your action plans. It is a package in itself. You don't have to hunt here and there. Names of colleges, application dates, the courses, everything is all under one dashboard. So this Mindler platform is extremely useful, helpful, hands-on experience. And I think if all of you need to upskill yourself into the field of coaching, counseling, and helping, the most important word, to the student fraternity, I think all of you should be enrolling into the ICCC advanced program.